everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Yes, good afternoon and welcome to our Friday class. Everybody is sleeping on this Friday. See, in UAE, Friday is a weekend. Like Friday, all offices are closed and people don't work. So we may not have, and it is prayer time here. So everybody goes to prayers at this particular time. So, but what we will do, we will record this session. So any of the viewers who has missed it, they will be able to review it and, they can watch it again. So, and this is the conflict here. I was thinking of which day to, take an off. Should I make it Friday? Should I make it Sunday? If I make it Friday, then Indian friends, all of you will say, one day you will leave. If I make it on Sunday, then UAE friends will leave. So I say, forget it. Why to take one day off? We are enjoying here. Forget it. For me, it is no work. So I don't need rest. This is why I am here with you. Okay, thank you very much and welcome. Now, what we will do today is, I just request one thing from you. You see, if you can send by chat what grade you go to and your class, please, your grade, or maybe if you don't, you are homeschooler, just write your age and name, because many a times, the screen name is not matching with the child's name. This is the problem. Okay, you can write it so that I know who I am talking to and I can address properly. Many a times I call you by your parents' name like that. Okay, so see, what I was thinking is, yesterday we discussed about geometry. So should we take the geometry a little further? What do you say? Today?
Geometry,
sir. Should we do that? Okay, geometry, this is one option. Second, geometry. Yeah, okay. Okay, so one more thing is pending. You remember, we will be doing 2-3 things parallelly. We will do. So if I miss anything, you can remind me. I think what we have to build more is, one is that multiplication. We did 2-digit multiplication, we did 3-digit multiplication, we did not do much. So that is pending. Second is that validation of answer. We did last time. We will do a little more on it. And third is divisibility. Divisibility is something that we have to do even more on it. And third is exponents. So these are the 4-5 things. We will keep coming back to it. We will keep coming back to it. So today, let us start this geometry and we will go back to those issues later on. Okay, I will start with something here. Imagine there is a circle. Okay. Okay, this, if we say this is the triangle, what do you call this one here? This in a triangle. First, what we call this? We will start from here, because once I get a little understanding of what I should be covered, then we will see what we call this point, and this point in a triangle.
Vertex.
Vertex, correct. And if you say, please say your name also, so I know who. This is vertex.
Sir, my name is David.
Vertex. Very good. Thank you. Now, this is vertex. And what we call this? Side. This one here. This is this, a side.
Edge.
This is, so the edge also we say. Very good. It is an edge and it is a vertex. So the triangle has 3 vertices and 3 edges. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what we call this? Can we call it as a base?
Yes, sir. This is a base.
Yeah.
This is the base. Very good. Now, in a triangle, there is this angle, and this angle. Suppose this is angle is A, this angle is B, this angle is C. The angle is simple, like this side makes some angle with this side. So there is an angle here. We don't know what angle these three are, but there is a relation between these three angles. Does anyone know what that relationship is? The
Sir,
sum
all
of
the
these three
angles
angles.
Sir, all
add
of
up
the
to
angles are of the
180.
same size. Sir, all of the angles are of the same size.
No,
Or
Sir,
there could be any.
all
This
should
triangle
be
could be
Sir,
like this also.
Sir, I know.
Yes, बोलिए.
All the angles will add up to 180.
Perfect. Please say your name, huh? So I know who is speaking. So I know. Okay, very right. Perfectly right. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So this angle, like this edge and this edge, this angle is, suppose whatever angle it is.
should be 60
Suppose if it is 60 degree. Suppose it is 60,
Sir, then
and this
both of
one
them
angle
have to
here
be
is
60.
between this.
Sir, to form a
Yeah,
180,
this is,
both
suppose
of
this
them will
is
be 60.
70. Yes, and then what it will be?
50.
Here, if it is 60 and 70.
50.
Yes, perfect. You are right. This will be 50. All angles will sum up to 180 degree. And what is 180 degree? Can somebody explain what 180 degree is? Generally means in a
Straight
very
line.
simple way, so we
It's
understand.
a line, sir.
Yes,
Is a
very right. 180 degree is a single line, and 90 degree is a vertical line. Here,
A right
right?
angle
This is 90.
90.
Perfect. This is 180 degrees. Correct? So
Yes,
if I have to measure 180, I can use any straight edge, like I can use this. Approximately, it is 180 degree, right? If I put this
Yes.
here and this panel is straight, I can say this is 180 degree.
Yes.
Okay. But have you heard there is minus 90 degree angle? Is this possible?
Yes.
What will you call this angle then?
Sir, it is not.
This is also 90.
Sir,
Okay,
in
we
our
will go into
school, they
coordinate
didn't tell
system
us.
later.
Sir, they didn't tell us minus 90, but they told us as
No,
270
we will go to another. Sorry,
or obtuse
we will go to
angles.
coordinate system. Yeah, we will go to later. That it is a coordinate system. We will do later. Okay, so this is done. You are very right. So all three angles add up to 180 degrees. Would you be willing to look at this triangle like this? Suppose this is one triangle, huh? If I extend this, if I extend this, if I extend this, how does it look? It looks different, but are you willing to view it like this? Then what is this angle, and this angle? External angles. Sum of external angles. See, sum of internal angles A, B and C. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Correct? But does anybody know what is the sum of external angles?
Sir, 360.
Can I call it X, Y, Z?
Sir,
Shall I call it
360.
X,
Yeah.
Y?
Yes.
Yes, please say your name. X, Y, Z is equal to 360 degrees.
Sir, somehow.
You are very right. You are very right. Now, would you like to do an experiment with me for this triangle?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It occurred to me that it will be very useful and you will never forget these angles any time in your life. You just need a scissor and a piece of paper. A scissor that you must borrow from your parent or in your house, the simple scissor and a pen and paper. In a pen, paper, you make the same triangle. Any triangle you make, any triangle on a paper. Simply cut a triangle. Make a triangle. any three lines. You see, like this, make any triangle. Like suppose you make a triangle like this also. This is also a triangle, right? This is kind of fun we used to have. You see, we do paper craft, make many things. Simple, this is a triangle, okay? Make any triangle like this. And then take a scissor. I don't have scissor here and Shashwat is not here, so I am finding it difficult. But with a scissor, you cut here. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Before cutting, you have this. Okay, do this. Here you write A. This is angle A, right? The same that we did here. And here you write B. Okay, and here you write C. Now, take a scissor, cut here. Take a scissor, cut here. Take a scissor, cut here. I will make a cut with a pencil like this. Cut. Okay. Keep it away. Now here you cut.
Where do you have to cut?
Here. Here, you see, any place, not necessarily this angle should come. That's all we are interested in. See, we want to measure the angles. A plus B plus C, how much? That's all. Anywhere close to it. So you don't hurt your finger and just cut it here. Or maybe you can tear it like I'm doing like this also. So this goes away. Okay, so you have another angle. Keep it away. Same way here, and you can cut it. Now you have three angles. Okay. Now you do one thing. Keep all the three angles and see how much total degree it becomes.
180.
Oh, so.
Look, check yourself. Check your own paper. It will be 180 degree because see here it will be straight. Straight is 180 degree. Look. Isn't it? A, B, C. My B is terribly written, but you can still make it. On your paper, you see if you are using a scissor, it will be very accurate. And this bottom, it will be straight. It indicates it is ABC is 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you want to do another experiment?
Yes, sir.
Make a quadrilateral. Make a quadrilateral. You know, anybody knows what is, okay. Here, what we did, the external angles are, external angles, how much we say? 360 degrees. Fine. We don't believe it. So we do, see, we did not use any compass, any measuring tool, nothing. We just cut it and just approximation we did. Where is the paper? Rough paper I need. Give me any paper. Okay, same way, make another triangle, same way, like this, this, this. Okay, same way you make another triangle, and this time increase this length. Okay, increase this length. Okay, increase this length. The same way. Oh, sorry, this way. External angle. This X. 1 minute, I'll make it on paper and show it to you.
Sir, you're stuck, sir.
Yes, 1 minute. Here, like this, you make it on paper. External angle. See, this angle we have checked. Now, A, B, And C we checked not today, just now we cutting. Now you make this external, outside, extend it. This edge, make it long. 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 And here you write Y, here you write Z, here you write X. I will get another color pen and do it. Same way, huh? And now cut it. See, here it is X, this angle, right? This and this you cut with a scissors. This and this you cut with a scissor. Here it is Z. And here you cut this and this with a scissor. Y. And keep everything together and see what if it is 360 degree. And how you know it is
I
360
can't
degree?
cut it. I don't have any paper.
That you have to ask your any adult in your house. Maybe ask them, they can find it. Or simply, if you don't have, then you can cut it like this also. Simply put it and then tear it this way. This way. You can tear and then cut this way and tear it. You have ruler and scale. Using that also you can cut. Using a scale you can cut. Okay. So you cut. You have cut out Z. See, it is Z for me. Now I will cut X and Y. You paper simply. I'm not using any scissor. It is just rough work. You can do it accurately
paper. I don't have paper.
That nobody can help you then. You can watch us and do it when everything you have, okay? And now I have external angles, huh? External angles you have to cut. And then Kabir, you can do it later when you have paper and pen, then you can do it later on. Okay? And this video, I always post it on YouTube and you can see here. These are external angles, 3. They are all meeting at one point. And what do you call this kind of an angle? It is 360 degree, isn't it?
Exactly.
So this way you can prove that internal angles of the triangle are 180 degrees and see external angles are 360 degrees. You can cut it clean because I just tore it away, so it is not showing very clean, but you can do it easily. And next time I can demonstrate it to you also same way. So it is from a point, it is all around coming back. So it is 360 degrees. Did anyone do it? Would you be able to, you were able to do it? The whole 3?
I was able to do it.
Okay, great. Okay, so you get the idea?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, I like to think, what if I don't have any paper? Oh, sorry, any
Can we do such
scissors, then how do we do it? Okay. Do you want to see one trick here? How to prove that internal angles of triangle is 180 degree? I learned it from somewhere. I will show it to you. It is a very interesting thing. I find it interesting. You will also find it interesting. See, we go back to the blackboard, the whiteboard again. Just watch the whiteboard, please.
आपके YouTube से चैनल का नाम क्या है?
नहीं सुना नहीं दिया, दोबारा बोलिए.
आपका YouTube चैनल का नाम क्या है?
That question you please keep it later. You write to me, I will send it to you. Okay? Check the WhatsApp. WhatsApp, all the messages I give, and also YouTube channel also is there. Okay, you won't be able to search it. It is in the WhatsApp message. Harjes, okay. Check your parents' WhatsApp message and you will know. Okay. Yeah, check the WhatsApp message. No, I won't be able to answer you now because everybody gets disturbed because of this. Just check the WhatsApp message in our group, you will know it. Okay. Yeah, please. Okay, now we go back to the drawing board. Now you see, here is this triangle. Can everyone see this clear, or should I bring it closer?
Yes, sir, you can see.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. What I have here in my hand is kind of a flag. Okay, I choose to call it a flag. Okay, so look here. This edge is this point. If I rotate it, suppose it is here. Huh? Where is the book? See, it is like this. Like here it is on this book, it is like this. Okay, here. Now, if I move it 90 degree, then it will be like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is here, say we call it 0 degree, it is just starting to rotate. Now, when I will keep it at the edge, okay, edge here. Now I move it 90 degree. Is it 90 degree?
Yes, sir.
And now if I move it this way, it is 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Or not?
Yes.
It's 180
Yes.
degrees.
Because you see this, this thing from here, it has come to here. So it is 180 degree, it has moved or not?
Yes, sir, it has.
See here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is at this point. Now I move, and it comes back here. So it is 180 degree. You think this edge of the book, it is straight. This edge is like 180 degree, right? This edge. So what I do, I will bring a thicker book. Okay, here it is, maybe. Okay, we will use this one. See here, it is here, this edge. Now I rotate, and then it comes here. 180 degree, it has moved. Now go back again. It is here. So I move 180 degrees here. So because this is 180. Now you see how we can use this as a tool here to check it has moved. It is 180 degree or not. Okay. So the idea is, if this point after rotation, it comes here on the tail side, it is 180 degree. Look here. Okay. Now this is here and our flag is here. Our flag is here. Okay, now we move to here. Okay, from here we move here. The flag is on the right side. We go here. Now we move because we have to cover this C. Okay. Right?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand now? Now we go towards A. Now we again move equal to this A. We move equal to A. Then we come back here. Now we move equal to B. Where is the flag?
On the other side.
Opposite. On the other side, 180 degree. So sum of all these three are 180 degree. Okay. See, here it is on this side. On the right, we go here. You have matchstick? You have matchstick in your house?
Yes,
Simple
sir.
matchstick.
Yes.
Yes,
Bring
sir.
a matchstick. If you put a matchstick on your triangle, you can do the same thing. Or you can say, this is the head of the matchstick.
Sir, I have toothpicks, not matchsticks.
No, because you have to identify one point. here. One minute.
If you have a toothpick, you can color one side and then do it. So you can
Yes,
identify.
one side you can color. You are very right. Just identify, or maybe if you use
Okay, able to hear me?
We cannot.
oh, sorry. The same way, huh? This, yeah, you can use this as a head. You know, this blue, you can consider it as a head. This you can consider it as a tail. Simple. So the same way on a on any triangle, if suppose you make a triangle like here 1, 2, 3, like this, if you make, then start moving this way up to here. When you are done moving, then go here. Then you are done moving, move here and move here. See, the head has turned 180 degrees. So it proves that our angle is 180 degree. Do you need any other thing? And would you ever forget this 180 degree thing? Never. Okay, one more thing I will tell you guys. Make a rectangle and do the same experiment with that. Can you do that? Make a rectangle, same, cut the corners, join all of this together, and let us see if it comes 180 degree, 360 degree.
360.
Yes, same way, let us make a rectangle. And why make a rectangle? We will make a quadrilateral like this. This, and this. This is a quadrilateral. 1 minute, huh? Not like this.
Sir,
This
that's
way.
5 sides.
This way. Yes. And we will make it this way. This shape, this is a quadrilateral. So what is the sum of the angles here?
Sir, how to make it,
In a triangle? Any paper, any quadrilateral you make, any four-sided
Sir,
shape.
360.
Any four-sided shape. Yes, any four-sided shape, the angles would be A, B, C, D. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degrees, right? Make any shape.
Yes, sir.
And then again, either cut it or forget it. I have this here, toothpick. I will use the toothpick to check if it is 360 degree or not. A 360 degree means it should come back to the same point, right? Same orientation, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
triangle, it was turned because it is 180. Now it should not turn. So we start here. We go
Yes, sir.
straight. Now what we do? We rotate this much up to this point. Then we go further straight, and here at this point we go this way. Now we go here straight here, and then back to where we started. So we have traveled 360 degrees, or another way is cut, and put it at a point. Is it covering whole space? It will prove that it is 360 degrees. Let us cut it. Simple. Any paper, you don't have to be very accurate. We are just having fun, and because see, there are many ways of learning
We
things
just
or
trying out
remembering
and
things.
trying to see
One
if
is,
it works.
yes, in a rectangle also it will work. It will work in a rectangle also. So what my idea is to give you some ideas that stay with you. You won't forget because you are not actually remembering it. It is just an experience. See, ABCD. Now we cut here. we cut this A and I keep it away. Okay, I keep it here. Now same way, I keep this angle. Is it B? It is A for me. I keep this one away. Now I keep this C again. See, in this dimension is not okay. You cut anywhere you like, does not matter. Use this C. Now this D, here it goes. And now we have to only match this with this here, and what is remaining is one more. See here, it is covering the whole area A, B, C, D. You try yourself and you will never be perfect. Yes, now you will never remember that internal angles of a rectangle is 360 degrees. You know why you will not remember? Because you have experienced this mathematics. It is not rote learning. Always there is a way to present these ideas to kids who are learning mathematics. The problem is many a times the teachers don't know, many a times they are not very keen to do it. It is very easy to ask kids, come on, let us learn mathematics, remember this. So they remember. What poor kids will do, they will remember. But in my case, nothing like this. I will try to get some idea to experience mathematics. This is what I really work hard at. So if I tell my son, Shashwat, okay, you remember this. I don't remember it. He won't listen to me. This is the problem. So all these ideas are mainly to help him learn it. So when I could help him learn it, I said, okay, then maybe I can help other kids also benefit from this. It is not nothing, it is simple ideas. If it is useful to you, it is good. If it is not useful to you, then we have to find something else that works. One idea does not work for all. So whatever idea I am giving, it is just one idea. Maybe you can think about other things, okay? So this is one thing. So this, the coin thing I said, it is called coin paradox. It is for the circle that you can learn more about it. It is called a coin paradox. Okay. So this is already done. Circle is already done. Triangle is already done. Square we have already done. So what the takeaway from this is, the internal angle of a triangle is 180. Internal angles of a square or any four-sided shape is 360. That way. Now, what we do is, should we do a little of arithmetic? This geometry, we will take it up further again, and we do little number work. What do you suggest? How much time we have? It is 2:44. So probably we have still 15 minutes. Kitna? Okay. So should we do a little number work? Arithmetics? Yes. The geometry is taken care of. Then we will come back to it tomorrow again. And see, this is how we will do. We will do some arithmetic, some geometry, some talk about mathematicians. We talk about something well beyond our syllabus that is unbelievable for us to learn, and some that we should be learning, like multiplication we are doing. So we will have a mix of everything.
Arithmetics? Sir, what is arithmetics?
Arithmetic is basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. These are the basic arithmetic operations. There are many arithmetic operations, but generally we call it plus, minus, multiply. One thing I want to share with you, why I use these words, specific words. I could use smaller words, but I treat you as equal. I think you can absorb these words. This is why I use it. But if you don't understand a word, you ask me like you did. Okay. And because see, when I was teaching Shashwat, that time I felt if I am using the correct word, it stays with him. You know, in kids, when you are talking to kids, they would say, no, 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 this way. ऐसे बच्चों की तरह बात करते हैं. They talk to him like kids. They use kids language talking to kids. No, I think we should be talking to kids like a proper adult, like you are talking to a equal. I talk to you as if you are my equal. So I will not use any small word, a kiddie word, or that way. So if you don't understand a word, ask. Like I use quadrilateral. You see this?
But I think
When I talk about, yeah, it is.
बच्चे होते हैं.
If you don't understand, a quadrilateral. Yes. Yes,
जैसे जैसे हम कोई बच्चों को हम बोलते हैं रोटी खा लो, रोटी खा लो. हम बोलते हैं ना ओटी खा लो, ओटी खा लो, ओटी खा लो.
वो ऐसा ही सीखेगा. This is the problem. You are right. This is why I choose not to talk to them like this. You are my equals. We can talk like friends, and we should never use this kind of, small words. And I learned it with experience. And when I started using these words, Shashwat also learned these words exactly in the same manner. Then he could talk. We have to bring up somebody to our level, then we can talk. Now, see, here, I just forgot what I was talking about.
Arithmetic.
What I was about to do. Okay, forget it.
Arithmetic.
We will see about that. Arithmetic is simple, like this operations only. So we will see about that. Now I will take you to the board, and we will have a little fun. No, nothing serious. See, if you take mathematics seriously, it will not help you. Because when you start thinking about something very serious here, like this, your half of the brain shuts down. When you are in tension, half of the brain is closed. If you do something happily, you accept both things. Like we did now. Now we do one arithmetic exercise. Okay. Now see here. 1 minute. Just go back to the drawing board here. 1 minute.
Sir, I can't see your board.
Is it now?
I can see the board. I can
The
see
board is.
Yes, sir. We can see the
Okay,
board.
so there is some. Yeah. There is
Sir, I
some
can see
local
it.
problem with them. They will. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, now I just a simple thing. You have heard 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Very simple. Okay. Now when we say 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to
15.
No, not number. The same pattern we need. We need 4 plus 6 plus is equal to 7 plus 8. 15 you break in 2. See the pattern? Your answer is right. Yes, your answer is right. But it is my not phrasing the question correctly. So it was not phrased correctly. Now can you find another one here? What should be next? Next or any other example like that? It's very close.
Equals
Right.
9
1
plus 6.
plus 2 is 3. The next one. Like this, 4, 5, 6. See, next pattern comes. Now another one, any other example you can remember like that?
Like you can
Okay, I will give you one example.
you take 3 from 4 and give it to 6, and you can take 1 out of 4 and
Yes,
give it to 5
yes, you are going right. Check here.
and 6.
Can you find a pattern for this?
13 plus 14.
We are just getting, yeah. 13 plus 14, yes, but you are missing one more.
15.
You are right, you are going right. Yes, very right. Sum them up and see if they are equal. Are they equal? 9 plus 10.
21, 22, 23, 20.
Is it
So
right?
there's a simple
Correct.
solution. So there's a simple solution.
Okay.
So if we have 4 numbers, so if we have 4 numbers in the plus area, if we have 4 numbers in the plus area, we need to just add the next 3 numbers instead of just going crazy and counting every number. We just need to add the next.
Now get, yeah, correct. Now get the another example for this. Do we have another example like this?
21 plus 21.
21 plus 21. No, it should be equal.
Hello?
What?
It should
Equal
be
next.
continuous. It should be continuous numbers with equal.
Yes. After equal, like see, 9, 10, 11, 12, then next, like this. The same way, the same process continues. See, you don't see the pattern here. You have missed the pattern. You can make another number very quickly. You are much more capable. I know it. You are missing the pattern because today is Friday.
I saw. I know the pattern.
1, 2,
Sir, I
3.
know. Sir, I know. Sir, I know.
I know.
Sir, I just
So
noticed
1, 2,
it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Yes.
15.
What next? Here, 16.
13 plus 14 plus
Now
15.
what next comes?
17.
So 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus
I will
19.
keep writing. 1 minute. You say, keep saying 16, 17, 18. Yes.
19 and 20. So till 20.
19 and 20. Very right. But what is next?
So 21, 22, 23, 24.
25.
22, 23, 24. Correct. So you see, it's an amazing pattern that came out of this. And you were able to make this the moment you found this relationship. Huh? It immediately came to you. But do we need any degree to do this job?
Sir, I got to know that
Huh?
when you did 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but I didn't think that was the pattern.
No problem. That is fine. That is fine. See, what we do is we are just getting friendly with the numbers. We are just seeing, numbers are not scary. Numbers could be fun. Numbers could, could be handled. We can handle it. And not to just answer a question. Not to just answer a question, just to have fun with numbers. This is the problem. In mathematics and in school, what happens? They say, just do sums. When you start doing sum, half of the brain is already shut down. So you are not able to think. Now your full brain is working because you are having fun. Okay, now we have little time. So what we do is, I will give you something stupidity. You will say, what is this? What is this? Okay, check here.
I can only see like the top. I mean the
Yes,
bottom.
sir. We
I
can't see
will
it
do that.
completely.
Can you pull it a
1
bit
minute.
down? Like,
It has to go down.
yes, now I can see.
Okay. See what genius I am. How simply I have done the answer. 1 by 4 multiply 8 by 5.
It's right.
Who cares about doing anything? 1
Sir,
goes
it's
here,
correct.
8 goes here, 4 goes here. Is the answer correct?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is.
it's right.
Sir, but no, sir,
The
not
way of
applicable
doing
in
things
every
is
fraction.
It is right.
So can you give another example like this? Multiplication.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
Okay, it is a multiplication. If you say 1 by 8, that means 1 divided by 8. If you have a calculator, try this. When we write, this is good. Okay, if you don't understand, you just ask. I will try to explain. 1. When we say 1 by 8, 1/8, it is equal to 1 divided by 8, like that. Or you can say, here is 1 and here is 8. This division. It is all equivalent. Is it right?
Yes.
1 by
Yes,
8. And when we say 8 by 5, so it is same like 8. Basically it is pronounced as 8/5. 8/5 is 8 divided by 5, or here we write 5 and here we write 8. You can do it with calculator to verify if the answer is correct. But I took a shortcut. What I did? Look here. 1 8 1 8 4 5 45. You know what these questions are called? These questions are called, these are fallacies. Like the answer is correct, but the method is wrong here. We cannot prove it that another answer will be same like this. This is the problem. I asked you for another question similar. Can you check here? This is another example.
So
Another
there has
example
to
is
be a
same.
1 there. There has to be the 1 at the starting one top, and they should be some. They has to be that. Otherwise, it won't come. Is it?
Yes, this cannot be applied to anything. Yeah, you cannot generalize this
Yes,
way
sir.
of doing
So a
things.
person
If you
comes
do
in
this
his,
like this, yes,
a
they will
person
fail
is
you.
there in his class
Other
test and he just does this and this, and so he gets all wrong.
Yes, we should not do all wrong. We will know why this is right.
sir, I got
The question here is only one. Can you find another one like this?
Sir,
We are
my
not
answer
justifying
is
this
always
method.
I'm getting 5 by 8.
That we will see. Which one are you talking about? The earlier one?
No, this one, sir.
Here?
Yeah, the
Here,
one
this?
Yes, this one.
Or this one?
No, sir, before one. The one which you are showing. And this one.
This?
No, the other one, sir,
So it is
before.
1 by 4.
No, sir, other one.
This?
Yeah, this one. Yes.
Okay.
My answer, I'm
So
getting
here
5
it
by
is
8.
same. You are getting 5 by 8. But is 5 by 8 equal to 15 by 24? You use a calculator, divide 5 by 8 and divide 15 by 24 and see if they are equal. Using calculator, you divide 5 by 8 and 15 by 24. Use a calculator and divide, and you will know, are they equal? What he is saying is, when he
They
does the
are
calculation, he's getting.
sir,
They
no,
are equal, yes.
are equal
But-
because I know how to prove it, because 5 8 and 15 24 15 by 24 is there, right?
Same answer you're
Yes.
getting.
5 times 3 is 15 and 8 times 3 is 24. So if you if when you multiply the numerator and denominator or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, it will become an equivalent fraction.
Correct. So this is correct. So you are basically coming to the right conclusion. 5 by 8 is indeed equal to 15/24. If you simplify it, you can simplify it with dividing with what? Finding a common fraction. One more thing. Here comes the application of the prime factorization that we did yesterday, right? Not yesterday, day before. Prime factorization. Should we do it? Like here it is 15, here it is 24. So what we do? 15 is equal to 3 multiply 5. These are primes.
Yes,
Any number can be written as a product of 2 primes or the prime itself. Now 24 is divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
Like we make a tree. 24 divide by 2. How much it comes? 12. 12 divided by 2?
12.
6. Yes. 6 is also divisible by 2?
Yes, 3 is the answer.
3 is divisible by 3. So 2, 2, 3, 3 times 2. Correct? So it is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Is it so?
3 8s are 24.
3 8. But we are doing prime factorization. We will not stop unless it is reduced to primes. Primes is you cannot divide any further. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. You remember everything is connected to everything. Now we are doing fractions and we find application of prime factorization that we learned earlier. So we do 15 upon 24 is equal to 3 multiply 5. And here we write 2, 2, 2 and 3. Correct? So 3 takes care of this and the answer is 5. These equivalent fractions can be taken care of by prime factorization. This is what we do, right? So this is one more. Now, what I asked is, could there be any more example for this? Same way? Yes, there are more examples. I have it here. Look. Same way. 2 by 5. There could be, if you find any more examples, write to me and why it works.
Okay, sir.
Okay, why it works? This method is wrong. This method is wrong. But why it is working is because there is a reason for it. When we do mathematics, we find what is the reason for it. This is why it is working. This is the reason why it is working. If you say this 4 and we call it A, if we call it B, C, we call it B, we call it D. The equation is here. This goes to 10th place, this goes to unit place. Yes. Yes, this is, if you have inclination, you can understand this equation. This is why it is working. You can take a snapshot or we will upload it in WhatsApp group. So it is not a question of doing the sums right. It should be done in a proper, correct manner. But if the answer is coming, that is, answer is correct, then we investigate.
Yes.
And we investigate and find out why the answer is coming correct. And the result of investigation is this. This is also I share with you because you can understand why it is working.
Okay, sir.
Now I am finding.
No, sir.
So left
I
due to
don't
some
know.
internet connectivity issue.
No, but it showed me that Kamlesh Saini is the host now. Okay.
No, he's joined now.
Yes. Okay. There is some problem in my computer. Definitely, I need to buy another one. It has nothing to do
No,
with
sir.
Bill Gates diverse.
No, sir, there is no problem, sir. After every 40 minutes, Zoom automatically makes the host leave. So it happens in.
I have a paid version, so there is no trouble with. I can conduct 30-hour meeting. That's not a problem. But my computer is giving me trouble, and it is upset because Bill Gates is taking diverse. so my computer is upset. There is no solution to this. What to do?
Sir, is it in the Chrome in the Windows?
Arey, come on, nothing like this. I will go get a computer. I will buy a new computer. I have to change it. Nothing to do with Bill Gates. There is no relationship between them. Bill Gates is after our money. He just takes our money for Windows. That's all. So thank you very much.
He adds one new feature and a new laptop is there.
Of course, this is now you become big and you start your own company. You start making things. Whatever troubles you, whatever you find in this world that you don't like, go out and change it. Why you are waiting for somebody else to change? You are the change makers. You will change the world, right? If you find I am not able to type a specific character in the computer, you design a new computer. Stop complaining and start making. Very simple. You are the change maker. You will be running the world. So you will make things happen. Very simple. So if you find anything that troubles you, just prepare yourself to solve that problem when you grow big. As soon as you are ready, solve that problem. Don't wait for your father, your parents, your friends or somebody else to change it. You change it yourself. Okay? And you will. Every one of you will be changing this world in their own little way. Thank you very much. And we will see you tomorrow, same class. Now I will make a schedule for the whole week and we will meet you again. Okay?
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank
Now,
sir. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, bye.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. See you
Bye.
again. Bye bye. Bye, Jan.